Welcome back, friends. Thanks for being here. We're going to take a little bit of a different tack in today's video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the remaining 5 C64s from the haul and make up a real quick shopping list of the parts that are needed that I can see right off the bat to get them back in working order. And then from there we are going to take the next machine's parts when they come in and go through them one by one that way. Try not to repeat myself too much on these videos. This way you're not watching me just look at machines and clean them up and glue parts on over and over again. This is machine number 2. Number 2. Get this open. Take the keyboard connector off. This one still has its RF shield. Although somebody's been in here. It looks like it's got all of its chips. They have been re-socketed. We've got the SID chip socketed, the PLA, the CPU, the 3 ROM chips. Those 2 are in their original situation. Let's see what's under here. We've got the VIC chip and another 74 series logic chip that's been socketed, and this chip over here has been socketed. So I don't think I need to order anything for this board. Isn't that how Murphy works? I said I wanted to go through and see what I could do without ordering parts, and the first board doesn't need any parts. So this one is 250407, artwork number 251137 Rev C. Looks to be in pretty good condition overall, but like I said, somebody has touched it because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chips have been socketed. Alright, so nothing to order for machine number 2. Put the RF shield back. Keyboard looks like it's in pretty good shape. Let's get machine number 3. Alright, I have a dead test cartridge in the back here. Let's pull that out. Keyboard's already disconnected. This one is missing the 3 ROM chips. The 3 ROM chips and the other one are in sockets. I will need to order a set of those, but that'll help me do some testing out on here. And this one's also missing the VIC-2 chip. Alright, so I need 3 ROMs and a VIC-2. And this one needs a little glue up. Let's see what number 4 looks like. This one's pretty well beaten up. It's missing the back key. A little bit of an older design. The bottom of the case looks like it's in pretty good condition, but the top of the case is missing a whole bunch of stuff. That piece goes there. This corner here is missing, this corner back here is missing, this corner here is split, the case clip is broken, and this front corner here is missing. And one of the screw pieces is missing. I'll have to drop on over to Hey Bert's channel and see if I can get some replacement parts for that. We have what appears to be a much older revision of the board. VIC chips missing out of this one. We've got a couple of more chips socketed. One of the ROMs has been socketed. It's pretty dusty in here. CPU's in a different location. And the PLA and the SID are in different locations. Different voltage regulator setup. Alright. So this one looks like it needs a VIC-2 chip so far. And some glue. Alright, let's check machine number 5 out. This one's missing the run stop key and the plus key. Oh, there's one of them. The plus key. but it's also missing some other keyboard parts that are needed to make that work. And this one's missing just about every major chip in here. So the 2 CIAs are missing. Write this stuff down real quick. The kernel chips are, the ROM chips are missing. I don't know why I keep calling them kernel chips. One of them's a kernel, not all of them. The 6510, the PLA, and the SID. This one is 250425. There's a socket where the VIC should go. The shield is missing. A couple of other sockets put in place here. Keyboard connector seen. Better days. We're missing a clip off the back. And the parts to screw down. This one is the only one that's good. The other two are both broken. But other than that, this case is in pretty good shape. So, needs a keyboard. And a whole bunch of chips. Machine number 6. No keys missing on the keyboard. Different kind of RF shield. This one's got all of its chips, and a lot of them are in sockets. So this is a situation where the SID chip and the PLA have been reversed. This is assembly number 250425, but overall this one looks like it's in pretty good shape too. Alright, know what we have to order. I will get some parts on order, and then we will start hitting these machines one at a time, and take it from there. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. And do all that YouTube stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't think there'll be any links in the video description below on this one, because all we did was do a real quick inventory of what we have. So thanks for being here, and we'll see you next time.